Moving on, impasse in the parliament continues over the 12 suspended Rajya Sabha MPs, with opposition staging relentless protests against the suspension. The government has now called for a meeting with party leaders of 5 opposition parties whose MPs were suspended from Rajya Sabha. However, the opposition appeared to be unwilling to attend the meeting and said that the government should call all opposition parties. In fact, the Congress has urged like-minded parties to participate in an opposition meeting before the government's 10 a.m. meeting to decide on a strategy. In fact, Prashant Kumar is live with us with more details on this. So, Prashant, finally, is the opposition going to participate in this meeting called by government or not?
Well, highly unlikely, because you see all the party leaders who got an invitation from the government, they have all come out and said that perhaps this is a blatant attempt at dividing the opposition, and the government wants to divide and rule even on the floor of the house, something that is not acceptable to the opposition parties. You in fact had leader of opposition Mallikarjun Kharge, you also had CPIM MP Elabaram Karim, Sanjay Raut from the Shiv Sena, and also in a way Derek O'Brien from the TMC coming out and univocally condemning the invitation extended to 5 opposition parties only. They are saying that if you want to hold talks with the opposition, you need to ensure that you call all the opposition parties and not the selected few, because if you do this, you are indulging in dividing the opposition, which is absolutely united, is what the opposition leaders are claiming. Now, at around 9:45 is when there would be a meeting at the parliamentary office of Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, wherein the opposition leaders would be devising upon their strategy to take on the government on the floor of the house. Now remember, this is very crucial, because we are now nearing towards the end of the parliament session, especially the winter session. And in this session, we have not really seen those 12 MPs who were suspended right on day 1. The suspension has not been revoked. The demand is clear that you first need to revoke the suspension. You need to extend the invitation to all the opposition parties if you want to hold talks with the opposition. Till the time you do that, the opposition is not going to participate in any of the meeting called by the government of India. So clearly, standoff continues to have a complete impasse still going on as we speak, even in the last week of the winter session. And this is something that will continue as the parliament hits today, because around 9:45 is when Mallikarjun Kharge will be, in a way, holding a meeting at his parliamentary office, in which all the like-minded opposition parties have been urged to join. It will be very, very interesting to see whether the TMC, which is protesting the government's invitation, whether they also make their way to the room of Mallikarjun Kharge, because in the entire winter session, they are not attending any meeting called by the Congress party. Yes, they came out for a press conference along with Rahul Gandhi when there was a march from Gandhi statue to Vijay Chowk, but TMC more or less has been away from the Congress-led opposition, and that will also be a story in itself. If the TMC joins the meeting today, perhaps it will be a bigger story to track, because TMC has been, by and large, kept itself from the front that is being led by the Congress party.
Right. Thank you so much, Prashant, for sharing all those details.